Hello and welcome to my handcrafted corner. Today we are going to learn how to sew together these two zigzag squares. If you want to watch the full tutorial on how to do one of the squares, I have attached a link in the description of this video. And let me show you how our work looks on the back. So we have joined them with an invisible seam. This is how it looks on the back, and this is how it looks on the front. Let's get started. In order to join them together, we will need a tapestry needle and some yarn. It doesn't matter the color of the yarn because we will make an invisible seam in order to join them from here to here. Also, it doesn't matter on which sides of the squares you are working because each of them is the same for both squares. I will place my work like this because we will have to start working from here for this square and from here for the second square. As you can see, each square has little squares inside. So we will consider these 1, 2, 3 stitches from the edge as the side edge stitches, and this stitch from here we will consider it as the corner stitch. And for the second little square from here, you will see that we have the same number of stitches for the sides, which is 1, 2, 3. Here we have a corner stitch and 1, 2, 3 stitches for the second side of this little square. And again, here you will see a corner stitch, 3 stitches for this other side for the other little square. And the same we have here, exactly the same. So we will join these 3 stitches together with the corresponding 3 stitches from this other square, and the same, the corner stitch will be worked together with the corner stitch from the other square. And we will start our work from the back of the work into this first stitch, and we will also work only in these back loops of the stitches, so only in the back loop. So we will start here from the back. We will insert our needle here, and we will search for the corresponding stitch from the other square, which is this one. So 1, 2, 3, and here is a corner stitch. So this one, and we will go with the needle from the front to the back like this, and we will pull the yarn through. At this point, both right sides of the square will be facing each other. So you have to make sure to check this, to double check this. And here we will continue to work in this way. So we have already joined the first stitches from this side of the square and this side of the square. So the first one, the first stitch for each square. And we will go into the second one like this. So this is the second stitch for this square, and this is the second stitch from the second square. So 1, 2, we will go into the third one, and now we will go into the corner stitch, which is this one, and for the other square is this one. Then we will have again 3 stitches or 3 loops in which we will continue to work for the first side of this square and the second side of this square. So we will go into this first loop together with the first corresponding loop from the second square, so this one. Then we will go into the second one, which is this one. And next into the third one. And again, next will be a corner loop for both squares. And again, we have now the other 3 loops from the other side. So 1, 2, and 3. And again a corner loop here. And again 3 side stitches. 1, 2, and the last one, the third one here. Again a corner loop for both squares. And again 1, 2, and 3. Again here a corner loop, and again next 1, 2, 3 loops from the sides, and here the last corner loop, and next the last 3 side loops, 1, 2, and 3. And in this way we have completed our join. This is how it looks on the front side. As you can see, it's an invisible seam, and you are not able to tell the color that we have used to sew them together. And here is how it looks on the back. And we will apply the same method if we want to sew other additional squares. So in this side of this square, if we want to join a third square, we will do exactly the same as we did here. And here, exactly the same. In this side of the square, and of course here we will have two sides that we will have to join, but we will use the same method. I will now cut my yarn here. Also, let me show you how to wave in these ends. So we have our loop here. So I will go into this loop like this, and here and here. So I will follow the yarn from below. One and two or three times like this. And now I can cut the yarn. And I will do the same with this other. This is how our final squares look together. Happy crocheting!